In section 1.3, number 67, we have to, without a calculator or looking at the table on page 27, determine the value of beta in the interval 0 to 360 using this information. So our first clue is tangent of beta is undefined. So tangent of beta, I know that by definition, tangent is y over x. And if a fraction is undefined, that means that the denominator must be 0. So this means that x equals 0. Okay, so what does that mean about our angle beta? Let's draw a little coordinate plane to get an idea of what that looks like. So we have our initial ray right there. And then the question is, where's that terminal ray? So, whoops, sorry. I want blue for that. Let's do, so our little angle beta, if x equals 0, so our terminal side has a point P on it where x is equal to 0. So if x equals 0, it means it can't go this way or that way. So it has to be on the y-axis. So this terminal side has to be up here. Doesn't want to move. It has to be here or here, but it's definitely on the y-axis. So beta is either this little angle going from the initial ray to the terminal ray, or starting at the initial ray and going all the way to this terminal ray. So it's either 90 degrees or 270 degrees. Okay, so what's my other clue? I also have cosecant of beta equals -1. Cosecant of beta, by definition, is, let's see, it's the inverse of sine, and sine is y over r. So cosecant is r over y. If that equals -1, r is always positive. So that means y is negative. So if y is negative, then that means our terminal ray has to be going this way, and I can conclude that beta is 270 degrees.